What is up, you guys? Back with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how it came out. I forgot to shoot that whole entire video of how it actually looks, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see, that's how it came out, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. And I'm shooting this video like 4 months or so after I actually completed it. Just haven't gotten around to shooting the video, but I'm doing it now. So as you guys can see, the light bar is in there, and I have the rope LED right here. And this one was on the car last year, so it's got a little bit of wear on it. But at least my silicone that I put right there is still holding up. I think I did put some down here. Maybe I forgot to put it on that side, but I think I did put some on the inside of, where am I focusing? Right there. So, and then of course the silicone that's around this whole outer section here. So that's holding up. The blinker still works 2 years later. Now I have not been running these in the winter. This winter I think I will leave it on the car because I had my, not factory, but the other aftermarket headlights. I had those in, so that's what I'm gonna, I was swapping them out, but I won't do that. This year I will leave these in, see how they handle the winter. And since we're still kind of in pandemic mode, I haven't been driving that much anyway, so maybe it won't be so bad. So there's the other light there. There's another video on how I did that one. Come down to this one here. And this one has been in for the past few months. And that's how it's holding up so far. So let me go ahead and cut it on, show you guys what they look like. So my fog lights down at the bottom. I didn't make a video on those, but that's all 3D printed as well. I reverse engineered the factory ones and made those for the tube LEDs. And that's how that looks in the day. Let me turn the headlights on right now too. Okay, so that's what that looks like right there. And these are 4-inch LED light bars for Jeep. I got off of Amazon, and they do shine light pretty well. I can see at night very well. Still pretty light out here, so you can't really tell. But usually when I'm driving, I don't have the blue ones on because you don't even notice they're on when the light bar is on, so I don't even have those on most of the time. But yeah, that's how it looks.
Perfect.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little update here. Let's see how it actually came out on the car. And also I put that, of course, the graphics on there myself, but give it a little futuristic look to it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more things, and I'll catch you on the next one.